Hello and welcome to Dosis de Cultura. Today we bring you an extraordinary challenge. 50 questions about the human body without multiple choice options, designed to test your knowledge. Really? Don't worry if you get something wrong. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Are you ready? Shall we begin? What is the longest bone? The femur. Where are red blood cells produced? In the bone marrow. Which part of the eye is sensitive to light? The retina. Which blood type is considered a universal donor? O negative. What percentage of the human body is water? Approximately 60%. What is the most abundant mineral in the body? Calcium? What is the main function of red blood cells? To transport oxygen? On average, what is the normal temperature of a human being? 37 degrees Celsius. What acid is found in the stomach? Hydrochloric acid. What muscle separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity? The diaphragm? What is the smallest bone in the body? The stapes, which is in the middle ear. What membranes cover and protect the central nervous system? The meninges. On average, how many times does an adult's heart beat in a day? 100,000 times? Which organ consumes the most energy? The brain. How many bones does an adult have? 206. Where is the thyroid gland located? In the front part of the neck? Which organ produces bile? The liver. What is the largest organ in the body? The skin. How many pairs of chromosomes does each human cell have? 23 pairs. Which bone is located at the back of the skull? The occipital bone. What is the name of the tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach? Esophagus. Which ducts carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder? The ureters. What is the hardest tissue in the body? Dental enamel? Which organ produces insulin? The pancreas. Which hormone is closely related to stress? Cortisol. Which glands produce adrenaline? The adrenal glands. What is the name of the first cervical vertebra? Atlas. What is the trapezius? A muscle. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The cerebellum. What is the name of the pigment that gives color to the skin? Melanin? What are the sacs called where gas exchange occurs in the lungs? Alveoli? How many pairs of cranial nerves are there? 12 pairs. What are the bones of the fingers called? Phalanges. What are the male sex cells? The sperm cells? Into how many parts is the small intestine divided? Into 3 parts, duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Which membrane separates the outer ear from the middle ear? The eardrum? How many bones does a human foot have? 26 bones. How many chambers does the heart have? 4. 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Subscribe to the channel. What is the main artery of the human body? The aorta. What is the functional connection between 2 neurons called? Synapse. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature? The hypothalamus. Which brain lobe mainly processes sounds? The temporal lobe. What? What are the 2 bones of the forearm? The radius and the ulna. What tissue connects muscles to bones? The tendons. What is the name of the deepest layer of the skin? The hypodermis. What is the process of forming new blood cells called? hematopoiesis? What is the structure that prevents food from entering the trachea? The epiglottis. Which female organ houses the fetus during pregnancy? The uterus. Which system is responsible for regulating hormones? The endocrine system. What is the longest and largest nerve in the body? The sciatic nerve. It's time for the bonus question. What is this organ called? Write your answer in the comments and let's see if you get it right. Did you want more? Click on any of the videos you see on the screen and keep learning with Dosis de Cultura.